Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the properties of your PC, like the device name, the processors installed, and the how many RAM is there in your PC, and what is the size of the operating system, and does your computer supports the touch input, and many more. So let me begin. You just click on my PC and you'll be having this PC. You just right click on it and then go to properties. So you will find here your device name and the processors installed. As in my case, processor installed is Intel Pentium, and how many RAM is there in my PC, so 4 GB RAM, and the device ID, product ID, and the size of the operating system, like 32-bit or 64-bit. And since my PC does not support touch input, so it says no pen or touch input. And you can find the editions, versions, the OS install dates, and OS build IDs. So in this way you can find your properties of the computer. So thank you for watching.